nights you stay by my side. The breeze carries whispers of your sweet embrace, and every dream I dream still leads me to your face. The stars above are shining like they know your name. Since you came into my life, nothing feels the same. Your love is like sunshine after the pouring rain, a melody of happiness flowing through my veins. When the world gets heavy and the road is long, you're the rhythm in my heart, the reason for my song. Every moment with you feels like paradise, a blessing from above, the greatest gift in life. I don't want a day without your loving glow. You're the sweetest feeling that I've ever known, like an island breeze that keeps my spirit free. Your love is the only place I wanna be. Hold me close beneath the Caribbean sky, let our hearts sail together through the night, forever and always, that's our destiny. You and me in perfect harmony. Golden sunsets paint reflections in your eyes, a picture of forever underneath tropical skies. The warmth of your affection keeps my soul alive. Every touch reminds me why our love survives. We'll dance beneath the palm trees as the music plays, creating memories that time can never take away. From the mountains to the shoreline, from sea to sea, you're the greatest inspiration living inside of me. No distance, no storm, no shadow can divide this river of devotion flowing deep inside. With every heartbeat, with every rising dawn, my love for you grows stronger and carries on. I don't want a day without your loving glow. You're the sweetest feeling that I've ever known, like an island breeze that keeps my spirit free. Your love is the only place I wanna be. Together we'll keep shining like the stars above, wrapped forever in the comfort of our love. Through every season, every dream we'll see. You and me in perfect harmony. Sweet reggae vibrations, love flowing endlessly. Island hearts united for eternity. Feel the rhythm, feel the passion, feel the melody. You and me in perfect harmony. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Golden sunlight shining on your face, like a blessing from above, full of love and grace. Every moment with you feels so right. You're the sweetest dream that fills my nights. Walking hand in hand beside the sea, your tender smile means everything to me. The rhythm of your heartbeat guides my way, bringing warmth and happiness every day. When the world keeps turning fast around, your love gentle groove. Every little thing you do makes my heart move like a warm reggae rhythm in the summer air. Your love surrounds me everywhere, from sunrise mornings to evening stars. No matter where I go, you're never far. Together we'll build memories that never fade. A beautiful journey our hearts have made. No storm can shake the bond we share. No distance can erase the love that's there. Through every season, through joy and pain, our hearts will always beat the same. Forever in your arms is where I belong. You're the inspiration behind every love song. Like an island breeze flowing through my soul. Your affection makes my spirit whole. Hold me close beneath the moonlit sky. Let our hearts dance together through the night. With every beat, with every sweet embrace, I find my paradise in your loving grace. Smooth reggae vibrations filling the air. A love so true, beyond compare. Together forever, hand in hand we'll be, living our island love in perfect harmony. I thought I knew the feeling of a heart in love, until you came and showed me something deeper from above. Like sunshine on the ocean after days of rain, you brought a joy so powerful it washed away my pain. Every smile you give me lights the darkest night, like a lighthouse guiding me with your gentle light. The way you hold me close beneath the evening sky makes me feel like paradise is standing by my side. No simple phrase could ever truly explain the happiness you bring and the peace within my veins. Your love keeps growing stronger every passing day, a blessing that no words could ever fully say. You're more than a dream, more than a melody, more than the sweetest song flowing through me. Like an island breeze dancing across the sea, your love has become a part of everything I see. More than forever, more than time can measure. Every moment with you feels like hidden treasure. With every heartbeat and every memory, you mean more than words could ever say to me. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Walking hand in hand along the shoreline sand, I know I found a love that was always meant to stand. Through every season, every challenge that may come, we'll keep moving together to the rhythm of one drum. The moon reflects your beauty on the water bright, creating magic moments in the stillness of the night. With you beside me, every road feels brand new, because life's greatest blessing is sharing it with you. When storms appear upon the horizon far away, your love becomes a shelter where my worries fade away. No distance, no obstacle can ever break this bond. Our hearts keep singing stronger as we carry on. You're more than a dream, more than a melody, more than the sweetest song flowing through me. Like an island breeze dancing across the sea, your love has never forget. Like the sunrise painting colors on the sea, you brought a brand new world of love to me. Every little laugh, every gentle touch makes me realize I love you so much. Like a sweet reggae rhythm moving through the night, you fill my heart with joy and light. The journey wasn't always easy to see, but every road was leading you to me. Now I'm standing here with open arms, right forever in your loving charm. Every step to you was worth the wait. Every dream brought me closer to fate. Like an island breeze blowing soft and true, my heart found its home when it found you. Every beat of the drum, every song we sing reminds me of the happiness your love can bring. Under moonlit skies and oceans blue, every step of my life led me to you. Led me to you. Walking on the shoreline, hand in hand, building forever on a foundation that will stand. With your love beside me, I can face the day, knowing we'll overcome whatever comes our way. Palm trees dancing to the rhythm of the tide. Nothing in this world could pull us apart inside. Like a melody flowing naturally and free, your love is the sweetest harmony. When the stars shine brightly in the night above, they tell the story of our endless love through every season. Through the years ahead, we'll keep dancing to the promises we've said. Every step to you was worth the wait. Every dream brought me closer to fate. Like an island breeze blowing soft and true, my heart found its home when it found you. Every beat of the drum, every song we sing reminds me of the happiness your love can bring. Under moonlit skies and oceans blue, every step of my life led me to you. Smooth guitars playing by the ocean shore, a love like ours keeps growing more and more. Sweet reggae vibrations carrying us through, forever in love, forever with you. The rain was falling softly on a lonely road, carrying memories of a love I used to hold. But the morning sun arrived with a brand new light, showing me that brighter days were still inside. Then you came like a melody upon the breeze, bringing peace to my heart with effortless ease. Like the ocean waves washing the shore anew, life found a sweeter meaning when I found you. Every storm eventually fades away, making room for brighter skies another day. The pain I carried slowly disappeared when your loving voice was all I could hear. into sunshine. Fill my world with your loving light. Like a reggae rhythm moving through my soul. You made a broken heart feel whole. Ooh, you turned my sadness into a song. Gave me the strength to carry on. Under island stars so bright and true, I found a better tomorrow loving you. Now we dance together underneath the moon, swaying to a lover's rock reggae tune. Every heartbeat blends with the bassline groove, creating the perfect rhythm for our love to move. Palm trees whisper softly in the night as your smile shines brighter than the city lights. With every embrace and every gentle kiss, you remind me what true happiness is. No more looking backward at yesterday. The future feels beautiful in every way. Hand in hand we'll follow our destiny, building forever beside the sea. You turn my tears into sunshine. Fill my world with your loving light. Like a reggae rhythm moving through my soul. You made a broken heart feel whole. Ooh, you turned my sadness into a song. Gave me the strength to carry on. Under island stars so bright and true, I found a better tomorrow loving you. Smooth guitars playing as the night drifts by. Warm island breezes beneath the sky. Sweet reggae vibrations flowing endlessly. A story of love, hope and harmony. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Morning sunlight shining through the window pane, bringing thoughts of your smile once again. Every little moment that we spent apart only makes me appreciate your loving heart. Like the gentle ocean touching golden sand, I feel complete whenever you hold my hand. Your sweet affection lifts me higher every day, guiding me with love along life's way. Through every season and every changing tide, you can always count on me right by your side. No matter where the journey leads us to, my heart will always belong true. Palm trees swaying to the rhythm of the sea, creating the perfect soundtrack for you and me. Every bass line echoes the feelings in my soul, a melody of devotion that makes me whole. Long drives beneath the sunset's golden glow, sharing dreams and promises as we go. The future feels brighter with your hand in mine, a beautiful story written by time. No mountain too high, no river too wide, nothing can break the bond we hold inside. Through every challenge, through joy and pain, our love keeps growing stronger again and again. Whenever you need me, I'll be there, with open arms and a love we'll share. Like a warm island breeze beneath the stars above, I'll surround your world with endless love. Whenever you call me, day or night, I'll be your comfort and guiding light. Together we'll dance to a sweet reggae groove, celebrating the magic of a love so true. Smooth, smooth, hey. Smooth, smooth guitar rhythms floating through the air, island vibrations and love beyond compare. Forever together beneath skies so blue. My heart keeps singing this song for you.
The sun is setting slowly on the crystal sea, painting colors in the sky for you and me. A gentle breeze is carrying your sweet perfume, turning every moment into something new. The sound of waves keeps moving with the bassline flow, and every little smile from you continues to glow. With your hand in mine, the whole world feels right, like a reggae melody drifting through the night. I've searched for something real my whole life through, then destiny brought me closer to you. Now every heartbeat sings a sweet refrain, a song of joy that will forever remain. Right here beside you is where I want to stay, loving you more with every passing day, like an island breeze touching the ocean blue. My heart keeps finding its way back to you. Oh, right here, right now, beneath the stars above, we're wrapped together in a perfect love. With every rhythm and every sweet embrace, I find my path. reflections of you and me. Every wave that rolls upon the shore makes me love you even more. From the first hello to this very day, my heart has never drifted far away. Like a gentle breeze through the coconut trees, you bring my soul complete serenity. Every promise we made still shines so bright, like the stars that guide us through the night. Through every season, through every year, my love grows stronger when you're near. Endless as the ocean, deep as the sea, that's how your love will always be. Like a reggae rhythm flowing naturally, your heart keeps beating inside of me. Forever we'll dance beneath moonlit skies, with love reflected in our eyes. Together we'll sail wherever life may go, wrapped in the love that continues to grow. Palm trees sway into a lover's rock groove, while the island night begins to move. Holding you close beneath the stars above feels like living inside a dream of love. Every smile you share lights up the dark, leaving sweet memories upon my heart. No treasure in the world could compare to the joy of knowing you'll always be there. No storm can shake what we've built together. Our bond grows stronger in every weather. Hand in hand we'll follow destiny, creating a lifetime of harmony. Endless as the ocean, deep as the sea, deep as the sea. That's how your love will always be, will always be. Like a reggae rhythm flowing naturally, naturally. Your heart keeps beating inside of me. Oh, forever we'll dance beneath moonlit skies, moonlit skies, with love reflected, oh, in our eyes. Together we'll sail wherever life may go, wrapped in a love that continues to grow. Oh, smooth guitars playing softly through the night. Oh, island vibrations feeling warm and bright. With every heartbeat, forever we'll remain. Two souls connected like sunshine and rain. Underneath the silver moon, we dance so slow to a sweet reggae rhythm only our hearts could know. The ocean breeze was singing as the stars aligned, creating precious memories forever in my mind. Every laugh we shared still echoes through the night, like a lighthouse on the shoreline shining warm. The love we built together feels stronger every day. A timeless melody that never fades away. When I look into your eyes, I see our journey clear. Every moment we've created through the passing years, like a gentle island breeze that always finds the sea. Your love keeps finding its way back to me. Let's make moonlight memories beneath the tropical sky, holding one another close while the world goes drifting by. With every beat of the bass line and every sweet embrace, I find forever shining in your loving grace. We'll keep dancing through the seasons, through every joy and every dream, like a lover's rock melody. You're the sweetest part of me. Palm trees sway softly to the rhythm of the tide as we walk along the shoreline side by side. The future feels beautiful with your hand in mine. A love so pure and precious, growing over time. The stars above remind me how lucky I can be to share this island journey with someone like you and me. Every sunrise brings another chance to celebrate the gift of finding true love and a heart that waits. No storm can break the bond we've come to know. Like roots beneath the earth, our love continues to grow. Together we'll keep shining through whatever comes our way, creating new memories with each passing day. Let's make moonlight memories beneath the tropical sky, holding one another close while the world goes drifting by. With every beat of the bass line and every sweet embrace, I find forever shining in your loving grace. We'll keep dancing through the seasons, through every joy and every dream, like a lover's rock melody. You're the sweetest part of me. Smooth guitars playing softly in the night, island vibes glowing underneath the moonlight. Forever together, hearts forever free, wrapped in sweet reggae love and harmony. Casting silver reflections in the soft moonlight, as the island breeze whispers through the trees. You bring my restless heart completely at ease. Every touch feels like a blessing from above, a beautiful reminder of the power of love. The rhythm of your heartbeat blends with mine, creating a melody that stands beyond time. Some feelings come and go, what we share keeps growing more and more, like roots beneath the earth and stars above the sea. Your love has become a part of me. This is a love beyond the tide, a feeling I could never hide, like a reggae groove moving through my soul. Your affection makes my spirit whole, deeper than the ocean, brighter than the sun. Every day with you feels like we've just begun. Under tropical skies, our hearts move free in a love that's written in eternity. Palm trees dancing slowly to the bassline flow, while the warm night air carries a romantic glow. Hand in hand we walk where the shoreline bends, sharing a connection that never ends. The stars above are witnesses to every dream, shining brightly on this beautiful scene. Your smile lights the darkness like a guiding flame, and every day I'm grateful that you came. When the world grows quiet and the evening falls, I still hear your love in the ocean's calls. Through every season and every changing year, my heart keeps finding you near. This is a love beyond the tide, a feeling I could never hide, like a reggae groove moving through my soul. Your affection makes my spirit whole, deeper than the ocean, brighter than the sun. Every day with you feels like we've just begun. Under tropical skies, our hearts move free in a love that's written in eternity. Echo beneath the moonlit sky, sweet reggae harmonies drifting by. Forever together, wherever life may be, bound by love and island harmony.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Morning sunlight spilling through the window light. Your smile makes everything feel perfectly right, like the gentle ocean rolling to the shore. You make me believe in love more and more. Every road we travel, every dream we chase feels brighter and sweeter when I see your face, like a warm island breeze drifting through the air. I find peace and comfort knowing you're there. When the clouds appear and the skies turn gray, we'll hold each other close and find a better way. Through every season and every changing tide, you'll always have my heart right by your side. I'll be right there with you through the highs and lows, like a river to the ocean. Our love naturally flows under moonlit skies and sunshine bright. We'll keep shining together through every night. Whenever you need me, call my name. My love for you will always stay the same, like a reggae rhythm, steady and true. My heart will forever belong to you. Palm trees swaying to the lover's rock sound. Your sweet island vibrations move all around. ordinary moments into amazing days. No mountain too high, no distance too far. Our love keeps shining like the brightest star. With every heartbeat and every melody, you're the sweetest part of my destiny. I'll be right there with you through the highs and lows, like a river to the ocean. Our love naturally flows under moonlit skies and sunshine bright. We'll keep shining together through every night. Whenever you need me, call my name. My love for you will always stay the same, like a reggae rhythm, steady and true. My heart will forever belong to you. Hey, smooth guitar, smooth guitar, smooth guitar, melodies floating through the night. Deep bass lines moving underneath the moonlight. Together forever, wherever life may lead. Your love is everything my heart will ever need.
Ooh, hey, The morning sun rises over the ocean blue, and every new day feels brighter because of you. Like golden rays dancing on the gentle sea, your love brings out the very best in me. The sound of waves blends with the island breeze, while your sweet affection puts my heart at ease. Every smile you share feels like a gift from above, a beautiful reminder of true and lasting love. Time keeps moving like the tide upon the shore, but my appreciation grows more and more. Every little moment that we spend together becomes a memory I'll cherish forever. I treasure every moment that I spend with you. Every sunrise, every dream, every sky so blue, like a reggae rhythm flowing smooth and free. Your love is the sweetest melody. Through the laughter and the tears, through the seasons and the years, we'll keep dancing beneath the stars above, celebrating this beautiful love. Palm trees swaying to a lover's rock groove as the warm Caribbean night begins to move. Walking hand in hand along the shoreline sand, building forever on a love that will stand. Every heartbeat blends with the bassline sound, creating a harmony that keeps us bound. No treasure in the world could ever compare to the joy of knowing you'll always be there. When the moonlight shines across the sea, I see reflections of our destiny. No matter where life's journey may lead, your love is everything I'll ever need. I treasure every moment that I spend with you. Ooh, every sunrise, every dream, every sky so blue, like a reggae rhythm flowing smooth and free. Your love is the sweetest the stars above, celebrating this beautiful love. Smooth guitar, smooth guitar. Timeless love in perfect harmony. The sun goes down across the ocean wide, but my love for you stays strong inside, like the tide that returns to the shore each day. My heart keeps finding its way. The moonlight dances on the rolling sea, just like your love keeps shining over me. Through every season, every twist of fate, our story grows stronger as we celebrate. Some journeys end while new ones begin, but true love remains deep within. No matter where life's roads may lead, your heart is all I'll ever need. Beyond every horizon, beyond every mile, smile, like a reggae rhythm, steady and true. Every dream feels brighter with you. Under island skies and stars above, we'll keep sailing on the sea of love. Through every chapter and every forever, we'll find our way. Palm trees sway gently in the evening breeze, bringing sweet melodies through the trees. Hand in hand as we walk the shoreline sand, building forever with every plan. The warmth of your touch, the light in your eyes, feel like sunshine beneath tropical skies. Every heartbeat moves with the bassline groove, creating a rhythm that keeps us in tune. When challenges come like stones at sea, we face them together, you and me. Love grows stronger with every year, because your heart is always there. Beyond every horizon, beyond every mile, I carry your love and your beautiful smile, like a reggae rhythm, steady and true. Every dream feels brighter with you. Ooh, under island skies and stars above, we'll keep sailing on the sea of love. Through every chapter and every new day, together forever, we'll find our way. Smooth guitars echo into the night, island vibrations feeling warm and bright. No matter where tomorrow may lead, your love is the song my heart will always need. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. glance you give me feels like a melody, a beautiful harmony meant for you and me. When the stars appear and the moon begins to shine, I thank the heavens that your heart is next to mine. Every dream I've ever wished to come true feels alive whenever I'm with you. Let me hold you through the night, wrapped in love beneath the moonlight, like a reggae groove flowing smooth and free. Your heart brings out the best in me. We'll dance together until the morning light, with island vibes carrying us through the night. Every moment feels brand new when I'm sharing this beautiful love with you. Palm trees sway gently to the lover's rock sound, as sweet Caribbean rhythms move all around. Hand in hand beside the rolling sea, we create memories for eternity. Your laughter shines brighter than the stars above, filling every corner of my world with love, like sunshine after rain and sky so blue. Life feels complete whenever I'm with you. Though, no matter where tomorrow may lead, your love is everything I'll ever need. Together we'll keep building dreams so bright, guided by our hearts in island moonlight. Let me hold you through the night, wrapped in love beneath the moonlight, like a reggae groove flowing smooth and free. Your heart brings out the best in me. We'll dance together until the morning light, with island vibes carrying us through the night. Every moment feels brand new when I'm sharing this beautiful love with you. Smooth guitars echo softly through the air. Deep bass lines moving everywhere. Island romance, shining warm and true. A timeless love song dedicated to you.